2008 CTS. Here's the vent for the cabin air. 3 7mm bolts to remove. Start by removing this rubber strip. Pop this cover right off. Access to the filter. So the little hand is pointing at the clip we need to pull up on both sides to gain access to the filter housing. Put your finger down there and pull up on the clip. I didn't have to do the other side. Now this is going to be interesting because this filter has not been changed in 12 years. Pretty dirty. Another test I'm going to do is try to see through it. Alright, I'm focused on the sun. Here's the filter. Can't see the sun. That thing is filthy. Getting very little air through there. Alright. New filter from Amazon. Apparently they got it from China. I'll put a link in the description. I didn't go with the super high quality one. I just figured I'd get good airflow and change it more often. Instruction manual. Cabin air filter replacement. In my opinion, I think this writing should be swapped. Because if you put it in the car so you can read it and see the arrow, it's facing the engine compartment. And they want it facing towards the inside of your car, towards the rear of the car. So that's what I'm going to do. Here's the old filter. I don't see any directional arrows. You'll see 2 tabs in the bottom that go in the front of this filter. And then we just slide it down. Lines up on its own pretty good. Arrow facing inward, straight down, and it just fits in there loosely. Put the cover plate back on. One side on first, then the other. Make sure it's secure. On this cover you got 3 tabs that go under this. Line up your bolts. Rubber strip. Another benefit of a clean air filter, you can run your fan unit at a lower setting. Thanks for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And in the next video, I'll do the valve intake cleaning process for GDI engines